Hello everyone, my name is Srishti. Today I am going to tell you that how to be fluent in English. In this world there are many kinds of people who want to learn this language but cannot do that. The main reason behind it that they set this mentality in his mind that is a foreign language and what we need to speak it more. So first of all, if you want to learn this language, so you will have to set this thinking in your mind. It's just a language, okay? It has become a global language. So if we ignore this language, we can't do anything in this world. So okay, it's okay if you are a student, if you are a person who want to learn this language, and I think that everyone should be passionate to learn this language. And it's just a language, okay? Most people says that if you learn this language, so you are going to follow the culture of British rules. And it's just, I mean to say that there are many kinds of misconceptions which are going to be followed by many kinds of people. So I think that you should ignore this, okay? So I think that if you learn this language, so in this world there are many kinds of books and many kinds of knowledge are available in English. So if you ignore this language, so I think that you cannot learn more and more things, you cannot gain more and more knowledge by this language, okay? So it's just a medium. I'm not saying that you will have to follow every kinds of things which are you mean to say that British follows. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that it's just a language. It's just a medium, okay? And what we are gaining. So I think that knowledge is very important for us. So we should ignore that what language we are using to learn, gain more and more knowledge. Okay, so first of all, it's just a medium, and if you learn this language, so you will be able to learn whatever you want to achieve in your life, okay? So suddenly when I started to watch any kind of English podcast, when I started to watch English movies, so many people say that, oh, it's a British language, you should not use this, and we are Indians, we should proud of Indians. So I think that this is a very misconcept, okay? It's just a medium and it has become a global language. So we should not avoid this language, okay? So we should try as much as we can learn this language. So I'm not saying that you will have to be fluent in this language, you will know every kinds of sentences, you should not make any kind of grammatical mistakes to learn this language. I'm saying that you will have to understand the need this language, what is the importance of this language, okay? It's a very important language. So you will have to understand your areas which is very weak, so you will have to follow right now here, okay? So I'm going to tell you a story. When I was a kid, I was in 5th standard. So on that time, that was in my mind that how to be fluent in English. Whenever I saw any kinds of person, oh my god, that person can easily express their thoughts in English, so that person is very intelligent. There is no one who can defeat that person. So that thinking automatically creates in my mind. And I think that there is no relation between intelligence and English speaking skills. It's just a skill, okay? It's a skill. If you want to develop this skill, so you will have to practice more and more, and by practice you can learn this language. I'm not saying that I'm very fluent in English, but as much as I am now here, so that's become possible only by my practice. And as well, I spent lot of times, like 20 and 30 minutes to learn this language. And after, first of all, I listen many kinds of podcasts, and after that I practice to speak that whatever content I have consumed from that podcast, okay? So I think that it's going to be feel me very happy, and without facing any kind of circumstances I can easily express my thoughts, and I feel very comfortable when I speak in English. So not only comfortable, I feel very confident when I speak in English. I feel that I'm something when I speak in English. So I feel like that I have a knowledge to express my thoughts in English, okay? So I think that it's just a language. So if you want to learn this language, so you will have to practice more and more. Thank you so much.